Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's the most breaking news from our viewer. Himachal Pradesh Minister Vikramaditya Singh on Saturday said that around 50 people are fewer dead in the areas affected by the cloudburst incidents. Singh said an official number can only be declared after an official confirmation and the completion of the search and rescue operation. The minister on Saturday told news agency NI that the government's biggest priority at the moment is to retrieve the bodies and restore connectivity in the flood-stricken parts of the state. The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted heavy rain for the state till August 7, with CM Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu announcing 50,000 for all families affected by the flash floods in the state. IMD on Saturday also issued a red alert for Gujarat, West Madhya Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Assam and Meghalaya regions for August 3, 2024. The IMD has also predicted isolated, extremely heavy rainfall very likely over Maharashtra, Konkan and Goa and Meghalaya on Saturday in its daily forecast bulletin released at 31st 2 p.m. On Saturday, thunderstorms accompanied by lightning is very likely at isolated places over Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Bihar, predicted the Met Office. In Maharashtra, a red alert has been issued in Satara district for August 3 and 4, predicting extremely heavy rain on August 4 in Palghar and Pune districts. Very heavy rainfall is very likely at isolated places over Vidarbha on August 3 and over Maharashtra and Marathwada region on August 3 and 4, predicted IMD. IMD too has also predicted isolated extremely heavy rainfall over Maharashtra, Konkan and Goa regions on August 4 and heavy rainfall from August 3 to 6 and August 3 to 7 for Madhya, Maharashtra, Konkan and Goa respectively. IMD has predicted fairly widespread to light to moderate rainfall over coastal Karnataka, Lakshadweep and Kerala and Mahe and Karnataka subdivisions during the next 5 days and isolated to scattered rainfall over Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry and Karakayal, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam, Telangana and Rayalaseema subdivisions during the same period. Beyond this exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.